worship. Okay guys, matanggal na po ako Nassau Bahamas. So that is our worship. Carnival Mardi Gras. This is a mercy. That is celebrity guys. That is liberty of the sea. Hey guys, matanggal na niya po Nassau Bahamas. Dengan sa show explore kay kajakan along kumno. Explore kay ka jaka naman ni ka Nassau along kumno dengan siya wait along kumno guys. Kita kasi ka sin manang ro kay tanat. Mardi Gras. That is our company Carnival Spirit guys. So guys, this is the life of seafarers. Pila man travel, pila man tre, batuan siyang artat guys. Enjoy like this. Nice place guys. I'll just explore the city guys. Is kejakar may tanar guys. We can enjoy here. You can do a high road. That is straw market. These are the local store guys. Okay guys, lalaki hidup ko panuan trip cruise travel ko ni. So bahasa apply nasabu ka link ko description. So this is the place. Enjoy guys. Guys, from here I can see liberty of the sea. That is our Carnival Mardi Gras. Guys, I think it's time to go back. It's a very nice place, guys. That is Victoria, Regina Empress. So guys, it's time to go back. Naman na yung tanghar na off. Tingin saya siyempre nakaway pa na video guys. I will go. It's time to go back to my ship. So we will see you in the next video, guys. Please do support my videos for the more tips on how to join our cruise ship, guys. This is MSC, guys. So this is what we got, guys. When you are working in a cruise ship, this is what we got, guys. Travel the world and earn lots of money, guys.